What's coming up in the year 2020? 2020 is going to be a lot of fun. We've had a good year this year, been a little bit inconsistent with some of the postings, but now we're becoming more regular postings. So what are you going to see? We're going to have picking videos. Now, a lot of my videos are geared more for locksmiths or people who want to be locksmiths, and also people in the law enforcement industry. So I sort of do videos on what we're using, not the exotic stuff that, whatever's offshore, or the stuff you're going to run across as a locksmith. So in the day-to-day, what we do for jobs, hope to have more picking videos with Lishi and a few other products. I'm going to have a series of business videos on how to run a locksmith business, and as well as the marketing and all that. So what do I have for 2020? I will do more picking videos, more business videos. If you leave comments below, I will try to target some of my videos on stuff that you are interested in. If you have an interest, I'm sure other people are interested in the same type of information. So just leave a comment below, and I will try to have a video on that sometime in 2020. I hope to see you at the trade shows. I will be there. I'm just putting together my list of where I'll be. Also, I'll be doing hands-on one-day courses in a city near you. Working out the schedule now. I'll be posting my schedule. I'll be doing quite a bit of traveling this year. I'll be all over Canada and the USA. I've got a couple trips planned to Asia. And I'll even post the videos on what's going on in certain countries in Asia and what they're using there and what the locksmiths are using there. So it's going to be some fun stuff. If you have something that you think would be interesting to me to video and post on my YouTube channel, just drop me a message, and maybe I'll come down and visit you, and we'll see what you have. If you have lock sport going on in your city, if you have an interesting locksmith shop, or just an interesting product. I do quite a bit of traveling. I love driving with my pickup truck and camper up and down the coast. I'll be doing a few trips into the interior. Really looking forward to Utah this year. Nevada, going to have some fun out there. I don't know how far I'm going to make it over. Of course, I'll be in Florida. Got to visit my mom. Leave your comments, and maybe I can do a video that you are interested in, and maybe I'll have a video with you in it. You never know. 2020 is going to be interesting. Let's have some fun, and please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.